Have you ever wondered about an alternative for AutoCAD? Recently, I was looking for an alternative which will be cheaper and better than AutoCAD, and I found ZWCAD. In this video, I'll be talking about the features, the price point, and can this software be an alternative for AutoCAD or not. So without any delays, let's get started with the video, guys. The first thing that I noticed about this software is that this software is very lightweight. It took me less than 2 minutes to install this software. Now all the architects and all the construction enthusiasts, whoever meet me, they all talk about just one thing, is the file type compatibility. So I would like to say that ZWCAD produces DWG type of file, and it can read all the file types that AutoCAD can read, and it can produce all the file categories and types that AutoCAD can produce. So one thing that becomes very easy for me is the compatibility factor. Like my contractor, even if he is using AutoCAD, I can still keep working on this new software and give him the drawing or provide him the drawing in DWG format, and he can directly read and write that file without any issues. And one more thing that you would have noticed by now is the UI. The UI of ZWCAD is absolutely similar to AutoCAD, and the commands also are very similar, so you don't have to worry about retraining your staffs. So this is also a good point that I found about ZWCAD. Next thing is that they have added some really cool features. One of this cool feature is their Smart Select command. Once you select this command, there will be a bar that appears on the left side of your screen that you can see right now, and you can select everything in your drawing based on their layer types, their object types, their block names, and even their line styles. So this is one of a very good feature when we have to select a lot of objects that are spread across in our drawing. You can just go and select that specific block name or a line style, and you can select them all and change them all, delete them all, or replace them all. So that's a really interesting feature. And few of the other features are like Smart Mouse, Smart Voice, and Area Table, which you can go ahead and try it out because they are very interesting features. Next point is working on drawings. So one thing that I noticed that ZWCAD is a little bit faster than AutoCAD. It opens the file faster than AutoCAD. Here I am opening a 400 MB file, and you can see that ZWCAD opens it a little bit faster. Then the other example is I am moving an object from my drawing from one place to another, and you can see that ZWCAD processes the move command faster than AutoCAD. Now, last but not the least is the costing. We architects and construction industry peeps are very much cost focused, and I would like to say that this is a very cost efficient alternative for you guys. Here you can see that AutoCAD license in Canada cost around 2,720 Canadian dollars for a year subscription and $340 for monthly subscription, which is still a very high costing. And on the other hand, ZWCAD offers you a perpetual license. That means you don't have to renew it every year or every month. And the cost of this license or cost of this product costs you just $899 US, which is a very good offer, I would say. And guys, the final decision is still up to you. If you want to go ahead and try this software, I have mentioned a link in the description below. You can get a 30 days free trial and test it out. Test it out, rough it up, use bigger file and test it on its full extent and test all its features. And if you like it, you can go ahead and get this product. And if you have any doubts, concerns or queries, please go ahead and mention it in the comment section, because I would also like to know how people are using it and what are your views and reviews about this product. And guys, if you like this video, go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.